right, it's about 4:40 on Friday, and I'm here at the grotto. I think I'm the only person here, and my plan is to hike Angel's Landing. Not the whole thing. I'm probably going to get to the neck and then stop until there's more light, but at least the first 2 miles while it's still dark. Got my headlamp, and with the intention of getting up there for sunrise. So I'm gonna grab a snack and then hop on the trail. All right, so I'm about halfway up, and you can kind of see here the all of the steps that I've had to take. Right next to the canyon wall, and it just goes up. So okay, so I am now officially at the top of the first half. I made the conscious choice not to cross the neck and to actually go to the top of Angel's Landing for 2 reasons. Number one, because of the time. I really wanted to be able to catch sunrise, and also, which is happening right now, and also I just wasn't feeling it. It was a little too precarious for me. All right, and we're getting our morning colors here. See the valley starting to brighten up here. I've already shot a handful of shots for my kind of lower valley stuff. Right now I'm shooting at an aperture. I'm shooting at f11, ISO 100, and I'm shooting right now 1 1/3 seconds, and I am focused to infinity using a Samyang 14mm manual focus lens. So that's what we got. Not too shabby, huh? So I've got some really good shots with this wide angle, and now, just as the light is peaking on the mountains, I'm actually going to switch to the telephoto. And really kind of try and frame up some fun handheld shots. See what I can come up with. right, well, color is starting to leave the sky. The sun's starting to come up. I think it's time to pack up and get some breakfast. Now the hike down has been quite a bit easier than the hike up. I've seen a handful of folks who are heading to the top. But since my trip up was in the dark, I thought it would be fun to just get a little bit of video on the way down. You can already kind of see all the switchbacks.